Alright guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to install DHCP and DNS on your Windows Server 2016. So to begin, I'm going to go onto Server Manager. From Server Manager, hit Tools. From Tools, no, don't hit Tools. Hit Add Rules and Features. Hit Next, Next, Next. After that, you're going to want to look for DHCP Server. Find it. Hit Add Features. Next, Next, Next. Finally hit install and wait until it's done. Okay, so after the installation is over, hit close and then you're going to go to the left hand side here, hit DHCP, hit your server, right click on your server, then hit DHCP manager. From there, right click it over here, no sorry, left click it, then hit IPv4. From there you're going to want to go to more actions, new scope. Okay, and follow me closely. Next, you're going to want to name the scope. I'm just going to go with the name of an animal, horse. Horse, animal. Of course, this name could be anything that you want it to be, and the description could be anything that you want it to be. I'm just using horse and animal for the sake of this illustration. Next, you're going to have the start IP address. So I'm going to go with 192.168.0. Let's go with 50. Wait, .0.50. The NIP address is 192.168.0. Let's go with 100. Okay, now you're going to want to hit next. Start IP address 192.168.0.50. The NIP address is 192.168.0. Let's just go with 75. Hit add. After hitting add, then you want to hit next. I don't want this timer to be that long, so I'm going to lower it to 0 and then I'm going to raise the minutes to, let's just go with 20 minutes. 20 minutes, hit next, 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 yes, and finish. And just like that, you're done with DHCP. So after being done with setting up the DHCP like that, now you're going to want to hit up here, complete DHCP configuration, hit next, and commit. Now hit close. Let's make sure everything here is still working. DHCP. And as you can see, everything that we had previously set up is still working. I did a little back to front by accident, but you guys could do it correctly by hitting the flag on the top left, top right first right here, then hitting complete DHCP, finishing it off, and then coming into the DHCP side over here. But either way works fine. As you can see, my scope still works regardless of which order I did it in. Okay, cool. Now that DHCP is done, now we can go into DNS. So go back onto your server manager, hit tools, hit DNS. After DNS, drop down, right click on this, right click on forward looking zones, press new zone, next, next, leave it as primary zone, next, next, name your zone. I want to name mine something simple. For the sake of this video, I'm going to leave it as zone1.com. Next, you want to make sure and change this setting here, dynamic updates. They do not allow dynamic updates. Then hit next, finish. After it's finished, you want to come here, right click on it, hit new host. Now you want to name this new host. I'm just going to name it ALRY, IP address 92.168.0.1. I'll give it the IP address of the server. Add host. Host has been added. After that, you want to go and do the same thing to reverse lookup zones. So, right click, new zone, hit next, leave it as primary zone, next, next. I'm going to leave this as IPv4, reverse lookup zone. I'm going to put in 192.168.0. Next, do not allow dynamic updates, the same as the one that we did previously, the same as the forward looking zone, and then hit finish. Then as of right now, I'm going to come over on this side right here, right click, no wait, come here, right click and hit new pointer, PTR. After that, I'm going to leave this as this, then hit browse, go to the server. This will be my Windows 2016 server, look forward, and then I'm going to select this one right here, zone 1, which will be the zone that we literally just created. Hit OK, sorry, and then forward us to the host, hit OK, OK, and yeah, we're done right there. Okay, so what we're going to do now is make sure all of this is working. X of this, you're going to go into command prompt, cmd, hit ns, look up. The first thing we're going to look up is the IP address of the server, 192.168.0.1. Enter. Lovely, we're getting back exactly what you wanted to get. Now we're going to ns look up the zone that we just created, which will be alry.zone1, sorry, not the zone, the host, zone1.com. And we're looking to get back the same result, and as you can see, we got the same result twice, so it is working exactly how we expected it to work. So guys, I've shown you how to set up your DHCP as well as your DNS, and thanks for watching.